the Eastern Carolina Corvette Club and Universal Chevrolet. So we do thank you bringing your vehicle out today and spending a jury day with us. It takes a lot of effort to get these cars clean and to keep them clean, and we do appreciate it. And thank you a lot for coming out here. Then we're going to let the dealership, Travis White.
Just real quick, I want to thank everyone for coming out. I knew a hurricane wouldn't keep this crowd away, so thank y'all for coming. We had a decent turnout, so I really do appreciate it, and we've got some awards and a little money to pass out, so thank you for coming.
All right, we'll start with the awards for the Corvettes. So when you hear your name called, please come up and get your trophy. All right, the C4 class, Tom Tlusky, 96 Grand Sport. All right, now we're going to, before we give out the Best of Show awards, we'll do our 50-50 drawing. So get your tickets out. Winner's portion is $268.
There you go. Just reach in and bring me out one ticket.
I'm going to read all the numbers. 8, 4, 2, 2, 0, 7, 0.
Ain't no good number. Read it over.
I agree with you.
That's it, buddy. All right. Thank you. There you go, right there.
Good luck.
Everybody give a hand to Everett State for agreeing to come out today and feed us. You wanted a trophy.
Don't get no trouble for him.
No, we don't have a food for
Don't
it.
truck trouble.
All right, we're going to do the Sponsor's Choice Award, chosen by the staff here at Universal Chevrolet. It's a trophy and $200. It goes to number 21, Miles Satterwhite, 68 Chevrolet C10 truck.
Your hand's going to be full.
If you don't have room for that $200, they'll help you with it.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, I need these.
That might help make up the difference. Thank you.
Thank you for coming back.
Hey,
Thank you.
bring it back, cause I'm the one that made you go get your truck. You said you were on board. Do it.
All right, Best Show Corvette, Tom Tlusky, 96 Grand Sport.
Congratulations.
Tom has agreed to take everybody from his Corvette club to dinner.
Yeah, nobody shut up.
Are you by yourself? Are you now, it's the first time we ever had a show when a Ford car didn't show up. So we're going to give Joe Bissett, who's on a 30 Ford truck, the only Ford on the lot, we're going to give him the Best of Show Ford.
Hey.
All the rest of them are scared to show up. Best of Show Best of Show GM John Barnes, 2010 Chevy Camaro.
Whoa.
Congratulations, sir. Pretty good. We'll spin it all in one place.
Yeah.
Best of Show Mopar, Francis Jones, 59 Plymouth Fury. Now don't cry.
Thank you. Yeah, very well. You got me hold on to that for you? Okay.
You show him what the best one is.
All right, Best of Show Truck, Greg Williams, 68 Chevrolet GMC.
Very well.
Best of Show Farm, Earl Bigelman, 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle.
Good job. Thank you, sir. There you are.
Oh, that's okay, we'll get it.
We'll get it, Frank.
All right, Best of Show Other Manufacturers, William Dove, 72 AMC Greenland.
Congratulations, bro. Thank you, man.
Congrats, sir. Don't forget the money.
Thanks.
All right, again, let me thank all of y'all for coming out today. It was a iffy time to get your cars and trucks out, but we do appreciate it. We'll be back. Our show will be back November the 5th at Don Bullock Chevrolet in Rocky Mount, so we hope to see you all there. Be safe leaving. Thank you very much.